Okay, so before you get any further with learning about SketchUp, this is a bit of a stop and check moment where I've created a model here, and as you can see, there's some crazy stuff going on here, but it's essentially started as a very simple rectangle that I've built up, and I'll take you through that process in a second. But what I'd like you to do is to have a go at doing this yourself, to create this from scratch and then to submit this as a first form of assessment to see how you're going. So the process that I've gone through is I've started with my rectangle down the bottom. I've used the push-pull to drag it up. I've drawn a couple of circles on the edge. One I've used the push-pull to push it inwards. The other one I've pulled it outwards. And then on the side here where I've got this triangle, I've used my pen tool to draw from the bottom corner to the midpoint, so that light blue exact middle point of this line along here. And then I've created another line down the bottom, which has turned what was a rectangle into 3 triangles. And because of that, I've been able to push-pull that triangle, the inner one, into more towards the middle. So as we're looking around here, you can see that this side I've left plain, the bottom I've also left plain. All right, there's no color at all. There was some color on this side, but the bottom is completely plain. I'll just pan up a little bit to show you that. We've got the red and the yellow for the inside and the inside edge here. And then if I was to go all the way around the back, I'll just zoom out a little bit there, you can see I've also got that green. So your job is to see how close to this you can do. I've left the lady there so you can see the scale. We're not worried about particular measurements or anything like that yet. But this will allow you to, I guess, judge yourself a little bit. Can you actually understand all the things that have been covered in the first 2 movies? So try this out, make your submission so I can double check that you're doing okay with this. And if there's something you can't do, please ask for help, because this is just a checkpoint. It's really, really important that you can do these sorts of skills before we take you to the next level. Good luck.